Hello, welcome back to my channel. Just a quick reminder before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so that you never miss any of my wig related content. Today I'm bringing you a wig review for pinkypromise.com. We're going to take a look at a newer style by Gabor. This is Mod About You, and the color on this one is their 1416 SS Shaded Honey Toast. More on her in just a minute. Okay, let's start taking a look at Mod About You. So I think Mod About You came out in spring of this year, spring 2023. And Cheryl from Pinky Promise and I just kind of realized, oh, we missed that one and didn't do a review on it. So here we are doing a review on it. Mod About You is a really, really cute, super easy to wear style. This is regular synthetic. She just has a subtle wave going through her. Again, another wave that I feel like is a little more casual. It's not so done up. It's not so perfect, you know, that it looks more like an everyday style, which I really, really like. So I will do a turn and then we'll get into all of her specs. Okay, so cap fit wise, this is fitting me, my petite head really, really nicely. I think it's just considered to be average, but it fits a little on the, it's fitting my petite head well. There's plenty of stretch in the cap, so I think if you're average and above average, it would fit you well too. So, but for my petite friends, just so you know, it's fitting me nicely ear to ear, forehead to nape. It's fitting nicely. I think I did bring in the adjusters a little bit on this one for my 21-inch circumference. So, you know, I think it's a true to average wig, but if you are on the smaller side of average, I think it will fit you as well. So this is regular synthetic fiber. It is not heat friendly. However, I find that Gabor's fibers are not as super shiny as some of the other brands. So I really like that. Some people feel like they look dry to them, but that is because they don't have as much of that silicone coating on them. So that's means that you're not going to have to do as much to reduce shine, which I really, really like. So, so she is an extended lace front with a left mono part. So lace front looks really, really nice on this shaded honey toast. This is a light brown, yeah, a light golden brown is what they consider this to be. So the knotting looks really, really good. The knots are tiny. I think the lace front looks great. And then we have our left mono part. A little bit hard to open. It's just that there's a little bit of permatease up here when you come off of the part, and not a lot, just a tiny bit, and it just gives it some lift, gives it a little bit of a cowlick, you know, which is nice. I think the style needs that. So the part is just kind of wants to go back to its zigzag, but the part looks nice. And then the ear tabs look great. I've got great coverage around the face. So, and as you can see, those ear tabs are falling on my, 11-inch ear to ear in a really, really nice spot. So if you're more than 11 ear to ear, you may have a little more space here at the ear tabs. You may find that if you have bio hair there, it may show more. So just keep that in mind whenever you're thinking about your shade. Choose a shade that's going to blend in with the hair that you have underneath. So really, really cute. Okay, so as far as measurements, we have 9.5 here in the front, 9.5 also at the crown, 7.5 on the sides, 8.5 back here in the back. And then the nape is 4 inches. So she's a pretty short style. And so again, but not going to rub on a lot of clothing. You can see this blouse has a little bit of a collar on it, and it's really just barely even touching. I don't even know if it is touching. Maybe sometimes depending on the position of my head, but in general, I don't think it's touching. So, as we go into the cooler months, for your sweaters and things like that, it's not going to be as long rubbing on those collars and stuff. So, the weight, by the way, is 3.8 ounces, super lightweight. I'll pop her off and we can look at the interior of her cap. Okay, so here is that left mono part. Goes to the crown, really nice. That's another thing that's giving you that nice kind of cowlick appearance. Looks very natural. Here's your extended true temple to temple lace front, which I just love. And like I said, I think the knotting looks great on this color. Soft felt ear tabs, metal stay to keep that flush against your face. Open wefting all through the cap. She has an extended soft felt nape with Velcro adjusters. Plenty of stretch, lots of stretch. I mean, these cups are super stretchy. So that's why I'm saying they should accommodate a lot of different head sizes. And they're stretching the circumference as well. Okay, let's take a look at this pretty color. So like I said, this is the Shaded Honey Toast, which is the 1416 SS. The SS just indicates that it is a shaded color. So that means it's going to have a little bit of rooting, but it's really just a subtle, soft shading on there at the root. So not a long root, not a really obvious root, but, and then it's going to go down into the rest of the color. So really, really pretty. So the description for Shaded Honey Toast is a medium brown root that transitions into a blend of light golden brown and dark honey blonde with ash blonde highlights. So I would consider this color, it's kind of interesting. It's got some cool aspects to it, a little bit of warmth with that dark honey blonde that's blended with that light golden brown, but I'm gonna call it a neutral because honestly, when I look in the mirror, it doesn't scream warmth, but I would not go so far as to say this is a cool color, you know? So let's say it's in the neutral range. So hopefully that means it'll work for a lot of you who, you know, if you tend to favor cool, tend to favor warm, maybe this will fall in that mid-range for you. And remember, you can always, you know, put on a top that works really well with your skin tone. And a lot of times that will help. You know, you can look at the tones that are in the wig, think about your own skin tone, and come up with, you know, a top or a dress or whatever that will enhance your skin tone, you know, versus this color of the wig. So I do have a video on my channel showing how I can wear any wig color with whatever by choosing the right colored top. So you can check that out. I'll link it up here. Okay, let's go check out this pretty color outside. Okay, so this is the Shaded Honey Toast 1416 SS. See the lace front. Okay, so we're going towards the sun here. You can see that gold blonde and a little bit of that ash blonde. I feel like the gold blonde is more obvious than the ash. Okay, really, really pretty color. So we can look at styling here and glasses and stuff. So she is easy to tuck behind the ears. So this is one way that you could style her, you know, just to keep that front layer out of your face if you need to look down at, you know, for work or whatever. That's an easy way to just get the fibers out of your face a little bit. Glasses, no problem. I put my glasses over my ear tabs. You can put them up on your head very easily. Like I said, where I think I'm feeling some permatease is only up here right when you come off of the part. And it just seems to give it a little bit of a cowlick, a little bit of a lift, but throughout the wig, I'm not feeling it. So it's not on the sides, it's not on the ear tabs, it's not puffy like that. So, you know, very natural density throughout the wig. Okay. So really cute with a headband, and you can hold all those layers back. What was that? Front layer 9.5 inches. So sorry, there's one little flyaway. Always a flyaway. Such it is with wigs. So anyway, really cute with a headband, and it will hold that 9.5 inch layer back, or you can always pull that out and do something pretty with it right by the face. Super cute. So what do we say? The sides were 7.5. I wonder if they will clip back. Okay, I think that they will clip back. You're gonna have probably a little bump, and you're going to have these front layers that want to come out. Well, maybe that's pretty snug, that side. This heavier, longer side wants to come out, but that looks really cute. So I'd just wear it like that. You could pull a little, you know, little strand out on that side too. That looks really cute. Then of course you could wear her, you know, just off the face because you have this beautiful extended lace front. So, you know, twist it, put something pretty in there. That would look really, really cute. You can always just, you know, stick something cute in it, like a little, you know, Julie headband or something like that, just for fun too. And that looks really, really cute too. So I want to give this one a rating. I'm trying to kind of, you know, give you guys a little wrap up on these lately and give you a little, some stars for a rating. So cap wise, I think it has a very, very nice cap. So I would give it 5 stars for the cap. It's an extended lace front. It has at least a left mono part. You know, of course, we all would love to have a full mono top, but of course, a left mono part keeps the price down. So as far as price, I think that the price is very, very reasonable considering the fact that it does have the mono extended lace front and a left mono part. And then style-wise, I think it's very cute, very, very wearable, easy to wear style. I like the way the fibers look. I like just the very subtle little flipping of the ends. I think I mentioned at the beginning, but this is just regular synthetic fiber. It is not heat friendly. So, you know, it's just gonna have these subtle waves in it. And I think it looks very natural. It's a very more casual look. You know, of course you could, you know, spritz it up and zhuzh it up with some product and you could get a more, you know, date night, elegant look to it or whatever if you wanted to do that. So, and you can always dress it up with some little hair accessories too. So thank you, Pinky Promise, for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information in the description box down below this video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.